Okay guys, first thing we're going to do when we do your balloon project, your primary color and secondary color balloon project, is you're going to pick the bigger balloon template. See how it says BS for big template, okay? And then the ST stands for secondary template because this is going to be your primary colors. This is going to be your secondary colors, okay? So you take your big balloon and you put it on your paper. Then you trace around the balloon. Now I'm using a pen so you can see it on the video. But you'll be using a pencil. So there's my balloon. Okay? Now I need to make the panels of the balloon so I can put my pattern into it. But on each balloon there's a basket that people ride in. So I'm going to make my basket right here, and then I'm going to make the bottom of my balloon right here, and then there's the ropes that connect the basket to the balloon. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's my balloon with my baskets. Now, to make it look like a real balloon, here is the trick. First thing I want to do is make a line, and you can use a ruler if you want to. You don't have to. I'll just use a straight piece of paper. I make a line down the middle of my balloon. Okay? Now, to make it look like it's a real balloon and it's curved, the next line that I make is going to curve out a little bit. So I take my pencil and I make kind of like a bubbled line that comes down and touches. Now, you'll be using a pencil, so if you make a mistake, you can always erase that. Then I'll make one more here like this. So I have 2 curved lines over here, and then I'll make 2 curved lines over here. 1 and 2. Now, to make the panels, okay, I just make a line on one of these, a horizontal line in one of the 2 middle vertical areas. So there's my horizontal line, because the horizontal goes this way, vertical goes this way. We know that. Okay? And then I'm going to make squares. Here's a square. 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 And then here are 2 more squares. Now, on the other side, I'm going to make my lines in the middle of these lines. So now all I have to do is draw lines in the middle of the other squares. So see how it's making like the panels of a hot air balloon? Okay? So this is how you do the first part. Pretty easy. If you have trouble, you just come up and ask me and I'll help you. So when you're done, when you get ready to do your pattern inside, your balloon should look like this, like it's got a bunch of panels. Okay? Makes sense? All right, here we go.